Hello guys, so welcome again to the channel. Guys, in this video I'll be discussing some important books and author as it is again very important from the perspective of UGC NET exam. In every exam we have at least 5 to 6 questions asked, sometime more than that from the section of books and author. So it's really important to revise them also. So guys, I am making two part of books and author. In the first part, which is this video, we'll discuss Western thinker and their books. And in the second video, we shall discuss Indian author and their books. So in the exam, mainly the questions are asked in three form. The first, there can be direct question like who is the author of a particular book given, and secondly there can be matching of books with various author given, and third form, in the third form there can be a question, there can be a number of books given of a particular thinker, and we have to arrange them in a sequential form in respective of their publication. So friends, here I brought some important books of authors. The first author we have is प्लेटो. प्लेटो को जो इम्पोर्टेंट बुक्स है वो रिपब्लिक, सेकंड एपोलॉजी, टीमियस, सिम्पोजियम, लॉज, स्टेट्समैन और सोफिस्ट. नेक्स्ट थिंकर वी हैव इज एरिस्टोटल, द निकोमिकियन इथिक्स, द पॉलिटिक्स, द रिहोटिक्स, metaphysics, on rhetorics, on the soul, on the heaven, the constitution. इसके बाद मैकेवेली आता है, द प्रिंस, डिस्कोर्स ऑन लिवी, आर्ट ऑफ वॉर, फॉलोरिटन हिस्ट्रीज, द गोल्डन एज, डिस्कोर्स ऑन रिफॉर्मिंग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ फ्लोरेंस. दिस आर द फेमस बुक्स ऑफ मैकेवेली. चौथे नंबर पे हमें थॉमस हॉब्स है. इनका फेमस किताबें लीवाइथन, डी सिवी, डी कॉर्पोरी, डी होमेन, एलिमेंट्स ऑफ लॉ, नेचर एंड पॉलिटिक्स. नेक्स्ट थिंकर वी गॉट इज जॉन लॉक. जॉन लॉक के बुक्स आर टू ट्रीटीज ऑन द गवर्नमेंट, एन essay concerning human understanding, some thoughts concerning education, letter concerning toleration. The next thinker we have Rousseau, the social contract, on education, confession, discourse on inequality, discourse on art and science, again are important books of Rousseau. These three thinkers, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, are known as social contractualist thinkers because they give the theory of social contract of the origin of state. The next thinker we have is Bentham, famous for his theory of utilitarianism. His famous books are An Introduction to the Principle of Morals and Legislation, A Fragment on Government, Theory of Legislation. Next we have J.S. Mill. His famous books are On Liberty, Utilitarianism, Subjugation of Women, Principle of Political Economy, Consideration on Representative Government. He is famous for reviving the drawback of utilitarianism by Bentham. Then next we have Karl Marx, again very important thinker. Karl Marx, his important books are Capital, Communist Manifesto, a contribution to the critique of political economy, Wage, Labor and Capital, Poverty of Philosophy, Das Kapital, Civil War in France, Value, Price and Profit, Class Struggle in France, Thesis on Feuerbach, Criticism of Hegelian Philosophy of Right, The Holy Family, The German Ideology. These are his important books. Karl Marx is the most important thinker as his books are asked in most of the time. Kindly remember that these books like Communist Manifesto, The Holy Family, The German Ideology were co-authored by Engel with Karl Marx. So we have next thinker Friedrich Engel. His books are The Origin of Family, Private Property and State, Socialism, Utopian and Scientific, Third Anti-Dowring, Fourth Condition of Working Class in England. The next thinker we have Hegel. He is famous for glorifying the German state. His famous books are The Phenomenology of Spirit, Second Elements of the Philosophy of Rights, Science of Logic, Lecture on Philosophy of History, Lecture on the Philosophy of Religion, Lecture on Aesthetics, Encyclopedia of Philosophical Sciences. Next thinker we have Antonio Gramsci, famous for his theory of hegemony. His important book is The Prison Notebook. Next thinker we have Lenin, again an important thinker. His main books are What is to be Done, Imperialism is the Highest Stage of Capitalism, Two Tactics of Social Democracy and Democratic Revolution, The State and Revolution, The Development of Capitalism in Russia, Materialism and Empirocriticism. Next thinker we have Mao Zedong, on New Democracy, on Contradiction, People's Democratic Dictatorship are his main books. Next thinker we have Robert Nozick. Important books are Anarchy, State and Utopia, The Nature of Rationality, The Examinate Life. Next, Mary Wollstonecraft. Her important books are Mary a Fiction, Thought on the Education of Daughter, A Vindication of the Right of Woman with Structures on political and moral subject. Here it is important because sometimes questions are asked like what is the full name of the book A Vindication of Right of Woman, and so you have to remember the full name. And next we have Hannah Arendt. Hannah Arendt famous books are On Human Condition, The Origin of Totalitarianism, On Revolution, On Violence. Next we have Frantz Fanon. Important books are Black Skin, White Mask, A Dying Colonialism, Wretch of the Earth, The Fact of Blackness, Toward the African Revolution, and Alienation and Freedom. John Rawls, a very important thinker. Most of the questions are again asked from this thinker. So his important books are Theory of Justice, Justice as Fairness, Political Liberalism, The Law of People, Lecture on the History of Moral Philosophy. And next we have other important books. So guys, beside these thinkers mentioned in our syllabus, sometimes books are also asked among various other authors. Some of the important books by author are The Open Society and Its Enemies, Karl Popper. In this book, Karl Popper has criticized Plato. So the next book is The Originality of Machiavelli by Berlin. The Political Theory of Possessive Individualism by C.B. Macpherson, again a very important book. Democracy in America by de Tocqueville, again an important book. Basically these are all the important books I have noted down. So on the fifth number we have Principle of Socialism and the Task of Social Democracy, or it is also known as Evolutionary Socialism by Edward Bernstein. On the 6th number, we have The Future of Socialism by Anthony Grossland. On the 7th number, we have Introduction to Marxism by Emil Barnes. Next, we have Capitalism and Freedom by Milton Friedman. Next, Administrative Behavior by Herbert A. Simon. His full name is Administrative Behavior, a study decision-making process in administrative organization. The next book is Elements of Social Justice by Leonard Hobhouse. Again, an important thinker, which is Immanuel Kant. His important books are Critique of Pure Reason, Groundwork of the Metaphysics of Morals, Metaphysics, Elements of Justice, Critique of Practical Reason. Next book we have Analysis of Phenomena of Human Mind by James Mill. Next, The Nerves of Government by Karl Dodge. Then we have The Non-Aligned Movement, The Origin of a Third World Alliance by Peter Willett. Last, we have Constitutional Government of Democracy by Carl Friedrich. So here we have covered most important books of Western authors. So see you in the next video of Indian authors and their books. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and bye-bye.